Take a moment now to settle in with me, closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths. And as you inhale, feel yourself drawing in a deep sense of presence. And as you exhale, release any tension and let go of any distractions that are keeping you tethered to the surface of yourself. You are preparing to reconnect with something vast and essential within you. At the core of your being exists what I call the great I am, the essence of who you are beyond all false precepts, beyond conditioned identities. It is your ultimate beingness, the heart of your personality, the center of your soul. And to experience yourself in this way is to truly touch what is most good, real, and beautiful about you. Now, it's not an end to your growth, but a moment of deep remembrance, a glimpse of your essential self as it exists in this moment, whole and complete. Imagine now, above your head, a portal is opening. And through that, a stream of unconditional love is pouring down and into you and flowing through you. This sensation of light, of love, is beginning to caress your body. And you're naturally feeling yourself becoming more easeful and light inside. Allow yourself to just surrender to this light, to this lightness. You may even notice a sense that you're beginning to rise, not necessarily in the body, but in your presence. Your awareness is lifting. A sense of a gentle expansion is occurring. You're feeling yourself becoming at one with this stream of love and light, moving through this portal from another dimension, filling you here now in this dimension. As you keep relaxing and allowing yourself to surrender to this light body experience, you may find yourself beginning to arrive at a place of deep knowing. There are many here already in this dimension. You could say, awaiting your arrival. Not to teach you something new, but to help you remember what has always been within you. You may even now sense their presence. These are teachers of light, and they are here, guiding you towards your true nature. It's time. It's time for a grand initiation, a grand soul memory to rise to the surface. The I am presence. Your connection to all things and all things connected to you. Sense this reality, this vibration at the core of who you are, rising, expanding. Maybe even feel like a deep sense of freedom is awakening in you. This light that's pouring in, the beings that are surrounding us, are all transmitting a signal that is opening your memory to what has always been. That you are, in essence, the great I am. Source energy, the all in the all, the oneness with all things. Just allow, in this moment, the remembrance to occur. You are connected through time, through space, in and amongst the universes upon universes. You are all in the all, and you are one with all things. You are source energy. You are the great I am. There is a spark of source energy throughout everything. In everything lives source. Within you lives source. And through this flow of light energy into your being, you can experience yourself in connection with source and in connection with all things. You are free now to travel in your mind and experience all of existence, past, present, future, through time and space, into the eternal. Here, your true nature simply exists, and it has always been right here within you. Your life has been a grand creation, and you are an eternal creator. All that you have experienced, you have created, and you are creating now. Through you, source energy flows. It flows through your veins, between your cells, within your atoms. All things are within you. You are source energy. You are the great I am. And from this light within you, you can connect to all things and co-create with all things. All you really need to do is simply desire to experience this part of you. You as source energy, you as the great I am, becomes it so that you may experience it. This is your creative power. It is the way it's always been, and it is the way it will always be. As we begin to move back now from the edges of time and space, from the edges of our existential potential, we begin to reconnect within our own body here in this moment. We can give thanks to the beings of light that have assisted us in remembering that there is something grand and eternal, brilliant and beautiful within us that is who we are. And now as you begin to return into your body and more into this present moment and more into wakeful awareness, just allow that portal of light to gently close, even while knowing that it is there for you at any time. All you simply need to do is open the portal and receive what is your birthright in support of remembrance of who you are and the potentials of your creative capacity. Take a couple of deep breaths now. Begin to reassociate yourself with that breath, with your presence in this moment, with your aliveness. And return here now to a more wakeful state at your own rate and speed, carrying with you the remembrance of who you truly are and to that which you are eternally connected.